The Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra 6G is shaping up to be an ultra-flagship powerhouse, blending cutting-edge performance with premium display and camera capabilities. It boasts a 144Hz QHD Plus OLED display that delivers ultra-smooth visuals, vibrant colors, and deep contrast, perfect for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. At its core, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 processor, paired with a massive 32GB of RAM, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless handling of even the most demanding apps. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 400MP main camera, capable of capturing incredibly detailed, professional-grade shots in various lighting conditions. Keeping the device running all day is an 8,000 mAh battery, and when you need a boost, 100W fast charging gets you powered up in minutes rather than hours. With this blend of premium specs, top-tier performance, massive memory, industry-leading camera, stunning display, and quick charging, the Galaxy S27 Ultra 6G promises to be one of the most advanced and desirable smartphones of its generation.